Dear friends, welcome to Worldwide Vehicles. The Sky Ch53K King Stallion is an advanced heavy lift helicopter designed and manufactured by Sky Aircraft Corporation, a subsidiary of Lockheed Martin. It is the latest variant in the Ch53 series, succeeding the Ch53E Super Stallion. The Ch53K is specifically built for the United States Marine Corps and excels in transporting heavy loads over long distances in challenging environments. Its primary mission is the transportation of personnel, equipment, and supplies both on land and at sea. Here are some key features and capabilities of the Ch53K helicopters. The Ch53K boasts enhanced performance in terms of lift capability, range, and speed. It can lift more than 16,330 kg externally, nearly triple the lifting capacity of its predecessor. Powered by three General Electric T408 GE400 turboshaft engines, the Ch53K provides exceptional power and reliability. These engines contribute to its improved lift capabilities and fuel efficiency. The helicopter incorporates cutting-edge technologies including fly-by-wire flight controls, advanced avionics, and a digital glass cockpit. This results in improved safety, reduced pilot workload, and enhanced situational awareness. The Ch53K features an advanced external load handling system, allowing for rapid and efficient loading and unloading of cargo. It can accommodate a wide range of equipment, vehicles, and containers. The helicopter is equipped with advanced communication system, enabling seamless integration and coordination with other military assets during complex missions. The Ch53K incorporates various survivability features such as improved crashworthiness, enhanced armor, and advanced threat detection and countermeasures. It is designed to operate in hostile environments and withstand ballistic and other threats. The Ch53K's versatility enables it to operate from a variety of platforms, including aircraft carriers, amphibious assault ships, and forward operating bases. It can perform a wide range of missions, including troops insertion, humanitarian assistance, disasters relief, and casualty evacuation. The Ch53K King Stallion represents a significant advancement in heavy lift helicopter capabilities, providing the U.S. Marine Corps with an invaluable asset for executing critical missions in both combat and non-combat scenarios. Okay friends, this was Ch53K. We will meet in our next video soon.